Hello everyone, welcome to this class. What we want to learn today is introducing tables, how tables work, and this is what we want to achieve. This is what we want to achieve. Now let us go to our this this one in particular, where we have uh, like blue colored. This one is a table. Why this one is a range? This one in column D, row 5 to column F, row 5, down to column D, row 15 to column F, row 15. Is a what? It's a table. It's a table. So it's a range, not a table. Why this one in particular? This one in particular with blue color is a table. So we want to demonstrate how powerful a table is. How table can make your work very easier. Now let us move on. Now this is a range. It is not a table. It is a range, not a table yet. Let me shift it. This is a table. Let me show this one also. Now, by converting it, let us convert it to a table now. Click on it. Come to your insert. You can see table on the ribbon. Click on it. You can see how it cycle it. Then mark this place. My table as header. Mark it. Mark it. So okay, when it is okay, it converts it to a table. You can see it converts it to a table. And as we have a table, now let me show you the power of a table. Now let us do a little calculation. A little calculation. Our invite, our invite, we want to sum our invite equal to sum our invite. Hope you are following. Closing parenthesis. No, that is a wrong calculation. That is a wrong calculation. That is wrong calculation. Invite. We want to count the name of our invited guest equal to count A. I made a mistake in the first place. Count A, open parenthesis. Now our invite. What is happening? This is not working. I'm calling. This thing is not working. I'm calling. Now equal to count A y count A. Then when we are using count A, we want to count something with that. That is, we want to count our invited guests. Value 1. closing parenthesis. That is what? How many guests? We have 10 invited guests. Now, guest count. Guest count. We have Kate, which is one. Let us count them. Guest count equal to sum, sum, closing parenthesis, enter. We have 15. That is a little bit calculation. Now, let us do the one of our range. This one is a range. Why this one is a table? Our range invited guest. You want to count equal to count A, count down, closing, close parenthesis, enter, the same 10. Our guest count equal to sum, equal to sum. Hope you are following. Closing parenthesis. That is it. We have invited guests. We have 10 invited guests, and we have guest count of 15. Now let us display the power of our table. I'm going to copy this one, copy and paste. Now this is the power of our table. Highlight it, move it. Be looking at our this thing. Be looking at our invited and our guest count. I want to join this table now. I have highlighted it. So highlight your own like that. Click on it, move it, join with the one on top. Did you notice any change in our invited guests and and our guest count? No. Now let us check this one also. Highlight it. Be noticing our invited guests under table. Move it, join with it. Did you notice any change? We are now having 20 invited guests and guest count of 34. You know why? Because this is a table. Whenever you join anything, any data to it, it will calculate it directly. But a range, it will just be there. It won't calculate. It won't apply the formulas. The formula or the formula. It won't apply it because it is a range. And why this is what is a table. That is for that. See you next class.